Everybody, welcome back to tutorial number 4 of the one and done shade of the Interstellar Icon by Pat McGrath. And today we just have left this shade, Golden Polaris. Now, this one I love dearly. It is such a beautiful golden pink Polaris type of, I don't even know if you could. It is definitely wet. I don't know if you guys can really begin to see those. Oh, there we go. You can see a little bit of that pink, which is beautiful. But it's such a beautiful wet look. This actually looks oddly familiar. Anyways, so this is going to be tutorial number 4 with Golden Polaris, which we are going to obviously dive into. But I also am excited to do Nude Venus 2. So this is definitely going to be the blush that I'm going to use today for this look. Actually, I think with quite a few looks, I think I do want to continue to use this blush specifically. It definitely is more of a, I don't know, it has a beautiful satin finish to it. So I'm excited to do this type of look because I might use this as a highlighter and then this blush on top, or maybe into the eye. I don't know. We shall see. Let me go get my eyes ready and prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. I just shaved so I can feel my face. Oh, and a little bit of bleeding. Oh, I think I shaved a little too hard. But let me go and prep my eyes and then we will get right into this tutorial. Alright, so the eyes are prepped with the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eyeshadow Primer. I'm hoping it doesn't start raining because my window's open. So I'm just gonna go in with my fingertip to Golden Polaris and literally just, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is gonna be an easy and fast one and done. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. I almost want to buy another one of these palettes just to have the Golden Polaris as a backup. That is the only reason why I want another one. But there's no need. Really is no need. I just might. I really just might. Because here in the Netherlands we have Douglas, which is equivalent to Sephora and Ulta. But they have, every now and then they will randomly have a 20% Cortine or 25% Cortine, the whole website, and that's even including Pat McGrath. So, and this quad is like 30, 40 euros sometimes. But, so that is on. That is just so beautiful. Oh. We're done? The one and done. Literally, that's basically it. But let me go ahead and do the liner and then we'll come back to see the actual final look and to see what more I want to add a shade to this, but we're doing one and done because I would love to add Blood Moon. Blood Moon? Or Blue Blood into this look, but I might transition this into that series. But let me go and do the liner and we will be right back to see where we are at. So, this is where we are at for the one and done shade. So I kind of messed up my liner. I definitely went with more of a graphic liner or a little bit more dramatic wing because I messed up. So I just went and kept going and adding on. But I went ahead and add on a little bit of extreme black just to really smooth out those edges that are really messed up. But besides that, this is where we are at with the one and done. Yeah, I know it's not one shadow because I added the extreme black, but I figured for dramatic effect, why not? Mascara is literally what I have left of Dark Star, which I think I'm starting to run out of, which is perfectly fine because I do want to get the full size anyways, because I think moving forward I will continue to use Dark Star mascara. And I'm really excited because when you guys see this video, I'm leaving for Paris in a couple of days to meet up with a friend. from the States who I have not seen since I moved and because of the pandemic. But I'm definitely gonna hit up Sephora while I'm there. But this is just so, oh, that Golden Polaris. Golden Polaris? Is it Golden Polaris? Golden Polaris. I would honestly just buy another quad just to have a backup of this Golden Polaris. Oh my god, I just might do it. I just might. Liner is still the NYX Epic Ink liner in black, obviously. Beautiful, beautiful liner. I really do want to try the Pat McGrath one, but I need to go through all these other ones I have first before I really want to condense my kit to just using Pat McGrath. And yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my face, and then we'll be back to see the final look. I am going to be introducing the Nude Venus too, which is beautiful. And I actually think I might use the Guerlain Terracotta Skin Illuminizer Highlighting Stick, but I kind of use this as a blush. So I might put this down first and then the Nude Venus 2 on top. We'll see. We'll see. But when you guys see me next, this will be all done. And this is the final look of the Golden Polaris, the one and done. And I did use it as a highlighter, and it's so beautiful because it does have a little bit of a pink flash to it, I guess you could say. A pink flecks. God, it's really hard to explain this shade. It's definitely, obviously golden, but with some, almost like a flamingo pink or purple also. Violet flecks in there. But can we just adore the liner? Oh, got a hair there. And the Nude Venus 2 blush, I really, really do like. It's such a beautiful, especially if you just want a hint of a nice color. I do think this is such a perfect for, what is coming up? Summer. Beautiful blush color. I went ahead and used Island Ting for bronzer. Lips are definitely Charlotte Tilbury's with, Supermodel. With a pale fire nectar, god damn it, pale fire nectar lip gloss. LM11 still for the foundation. I still think we are still on trend with color matching ish. I mean, coming down to my neck area, getting there. We're getting there. But this is the last tutorial of this quad of the one and done shade. Like I said, I added a little bit of extreme black because I messed up on the liner, so I just wanted to do that. But even like this, if you really have time, this is not bad for a one and done. Literally Golden Polaris all the way up into the brow bone for the highlight. Oh, it's just giving me life right now. As usual, go to my Instagram page for the final edits. I do think I am slowly just gonna from here just transition into making a few colors or a few other tutorial looks from this quad specifically. So we got the one and done out of the way with this palette, which is something I've been wanting to do for quite some time. Look at that highlight. Bam. Boom. It's something I've been wanting to do. So I've been looking on YouTube to see if anybody really has done that. Not really. Maybe somebody has. I don't know. But I figured now, why not start dipping into these colors? Like I said, with this all over the lid, adding that on the outer edge, the outer V, or really smoking it out would be really beautiful. This all over the lid with that on top and just smoking out the edges with the blue. Oh, I mean, we got quite a few different looks just from a quad, mind you. So without further ado, I'm just like living, thriving. Adore. I swear, Pat McGrath makeup just makes me feel like I should be on the next runway or something. I don't know. But the sun is coming in. I need to do the pictures and I need to edit all of this and then also head to the gym because I need to start getting ready. I'm going to Paris tomorrow. No, in 2 days. But obviously when you see this video, Paris has passed. So this is how far in advance I do these videos, just so I have enough content. The eyeliners are just so dramatic. I love how I wanted to do like a really sharp, thin liner, but then with the hooded eyes, it started to get up there, so I just went up higher, and then it just turned into this. And I mean, gorgeous. You know what? What if I dare, since we're here, oh, that's broken. Like, I'm really living for a, will that work? Oh, that's gonna be too big. You know what we're going to do? You know what? Give me a really nice black. Fine, a Stellar Coal. Let's just go ahead and do that right there. That's cute. We're being creative. We're being creative. That's cute. Okay, let's do it. You know what? I'm gonna take a few pictures. We're gonna get this going. So I was gonna do like a really bold red lip, like a blue undertone, but I really want the eyes to have the moment. Maybe I'll do that when I have this other idea planned for smoky eyes. But everybody enjoy your day and enjoy the sun. I will see you next video.